Hey guys, I have new hair. It's so pretty. I just wanted something extra to go into my hair. We used Pravana Violet and Pravana Orchid. So the pink that you see on the top is the orchid. And then we just blended it in with the violet that I already had. I got it there. This is what it looks like. Today I filmed this look for you using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I also set my face with the new Dewy Set setting spray from them as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. We are going to be reviewing the Riviera palette from Anastasia. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's such a beautiful palette. It's very colorful. We also have today the Dewy Set setting spray from Anastasia. It looks like this. So we are going to put these on our face today. So let's talk about the palette. So the palette is $45 and you get 14 colors. There are mattes, metallics, and vibrant jewel tones. So let's open this up. The packaging matches the box. It looks like this. You get a little brush. I'm going to take that out so it doesn't fall down. But this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. And it looks like this. Very sparkly, very pretty. So we'll get to that here in a bit. Let's do some swatches. So here's what the colors look like. This is the first row. So we have the white, which is Sails, Yacht, which is the next gold color, Seychelles, which is the blue, Palermo, which is this red one, Seaside, which is this kind of gray purple, and then Inheritance, followed by Mediterranean. And then we have this second row and it looks like this. So we have Estate, which is this nude color, Cabana, which is the yellow, Coastline, which is the peach, Bahamas, the bright pink, Monte Carlo, this peachy pink, Cans, this purple, and Palm on my palm. To start, we're gonna go in with Estate. We're just gonna work this in your crease. Go in with Monte Carlo, which is this one. And we're also going to work that in the crease just on the same brush. We're going to go in with Bahamas, which is the bright pink. Let's do Mediterranean. A little fallout from this color just on my cheek. I think we're gonna take the purple, which is Cans, and it's this one right here. On the same brush we've been using. Next, we're gonna take a little bit of Seaside, which is this color right here, and we're just gonna put that right in the very middle center of the lid. An eye pencil from Urban Decay, and just put that on the lower lash. Take Cans, which is the purple in the palette. And we're just going to work that on the lower lash. bit of Palm, which is the dark brown as well, and we're going to work that just on the outer edge. I'm just taking a little bit of Seaside, which was this one in the palette. I'm just working that right here. I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara. I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Casey Holmes, and we're just going to bronze. I'm going to go in with the Buxom Seychelles blush. We're going to highlight the Guerriero. Highlight the brow bone. I'm going to use the Norvina palette. We're just going to take the color Dreamer. I'm going to put our false lashes on. I'm going to go in with the setting spray. We're all done with the face. And we're just going to see what it's like. So we're just going to shake it up really well. And we're just going to spritz the face. Overall, I think it gave like a really pretty finish to the face. It's like very set in now. My face doesn't look as powdery as it did before. So this is the finished look.